All of our boats are constructed using a technique called thermowelding. Thermowelding is a process that fuses the material together rather than the traditional glued seam that you're going to find on a lot of the boats on the market today. And thermowelding removes the ability for the sun to damage those bonds and allows the boat to hold up for a very, very long time. All of our other accessories on the boat are attached using a process called high frequency welding. And what that does is it fuses those D-rings to the boat. So again, you have a very robust process that will last for a significant amount of time longer than your traditional boat.